let's enjoy cooking this beautiful albacore tuna. These and more super delicious food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this divine cookbook. Mom in Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipe is available worldwide online. In ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and a third order. Yes, that's me, Juanita Gutierrez, Amazon author, central page, Ex Libris, Barnes and Nobles, and all online global stores. Mom is the only girl in her family and used to own a student canteen restaurant with dad, and more in this gorgeous cookbook. And let's head on to our albacore tuna. This is our main ingredient. Everything is important, by the way. Adobo with, excuse me please, we're using wild caught Atlantic albacore tuna. Wild caught, sustainable, traceable. And then we're going to use some lemons as well. And mom's secret, now I'm revealing it to you. Anything sweet, a little bit, 100% pure raw unfiltered honey is what I am using. And then you could use soy sauce if you would like. And if you don't have soy sauce, or if you prefer, you could use Himalayan pink salt or this sea salt. And then we have peppercorn as well, excuse me please. And then we have organic toasted sesame oil. And this is product of Mexico, packaged in USA. There are many versions. Organic toasted sesame oil is what I have chosen. And then we have minced onions. We have our garlic powder. And then we have sesame seeds. With this seed, when they press it, comes the oil. And we have here organic toasted sesame oil. They toast this one, sesame seeds, and then a very fragrant, nutty flavor sesame oil comes out. Super flavorful. And then we are going to use oregano leaves as well. I didn't realize I have two oreganos here around me. I think I showed you garlic. And then parsley flakes. And you'll notice we have bay leaves. I'm using one bay leaf only, excuse me please. And then actually they eat this raw Atlantic albacore tuna. Now let's head on to we are going to blanch our albacore tuna, and I have our water, spring water, simmering. Now we're going to drop in the bay leaf. It has a very beautiful aroma, and it removes anything that you don't want. And now we have our albacore tuna. This is adorable. And then next comes another albacore tuna. Let's have it here on this side. And then we're going to grind in the black peppercorn, and then a little bit of sea salt. That's all. And we have minced onions as well. And we have garlic powder as well. I love the aroma of garlic, so I'm very generous with garlic. And it has antioxidant properties as well, and phytonutrients. Everything here has multivitamins as well. And now I'm adding oregano, and you could also add that in the water. And next is parsley as well. Let me open the, because I want to cook more. I'm very generous with herbs because they're very helpful to our good health. In fact, in the scripture it says herbs will be your medicine. Then we have the lemon, like so. We will add lemons more when it gets cooked, and the taste is heavenly. You're gonna love this. It's okay when you have the seeds, because the seeds also have nutritional value. You could choose to remove that as well. Then we have a little bit of organic raw honey. You could use, excuse me please, brown sugar if you would like. And then we are adding now the sesame seeds. Aren't they gorgeous? And we have the sesame oil. And let's pour in. And in the water as well. This has nutty flavored, delicious aroma and taste. That's all there is to it. Easy does it, isn't it? Sesame oil with sesame seeds, albacore tuna blanch adobo. Happy cooking! In Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto. See you in the next video. We're going to enjoy this all together. You're all invited. And we give our love, light, and gratitude to our Creator, Universe, our collective family. They are the galactic stars, family of ours in the higher dimensions, 5D and above. Pleiadians, Arcturians, Andromedans, Sirians, Lyrans, Vegans from the star of Vega, and then the Son of Masters, you know, whoever you know as your Son of Masters. It could be Yeshua, Krishna, Sananda, Buddha, whoever you are familiar with and you love them, and you believe in them, and they're being generous to you and loving. And then the archangels Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Metatron, Uriel, Ariel, and our spirit guides, walking guides, angel guides, nature kingdom beings, the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, etheric kingdom, crystal kingdom, the theorist kingdom, and most of all as well, you and me, and all of us fellow galactic stars, because we came from the galaxy of stars. Some of you are Pleiadians like me, Arcturians, and so much more. We also give our love and gratitude and thanks. I just touched my skin in the hot pan. That's why I lit it up quickly. Thank God we have quick reflexes from our brains to let us know what's going on. I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude as well to my fellow divine beings, most especially as well my magnificent subscribers, followers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Enjoy the sesame oil, the sesame seeds, blanched, albacore, tuna, in Tagalog, tambakol adobo. Tuna is tambakol in Tagalog language. Tambakol, or tanige, Tanige. I know because my parents own a huge fishing boat or a yacht named after Saint Anthony, because Saint Anthony saved them from their newlyweds, and so they named it after Saint Anthony. I mean the fishing boat. And thank you, Saint Anthony. And thank you, and much love, light, and gratitude to you all. See you in the next video. Happy cooking. Enjoy. The aroma is super delicious. This side of heaven, fit for kings and queens like you and me. Yum. Enjoy. Happy cooking.